Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll begin by saving a quick fallback. Create a system restore point or export the registry so you can undo changes if needed. Once done, open Task Manager with Control plus Shift plus ESC, find Windows Explorer, right-click and choose Restart. This forces the shell to reload icon caches and the Start menu. You're doing this because many icon issues are temporary UI glitches. Restarting Explorer is fast and often fixes broken or missing icons without deeper changes. Next, rebuild the icon cache so Windows regenerates corrupted thumbnails and shortcuts. First close Explorer via Task Manager or taskl/f/imexplorer. exe, then open the folder %localappdata%Microsoft \Windows\Explorer and delete all icon cache * files. After removal, start Explorer again or run Start Explorer. exe, Windows will recreate those cache files. This fixes mismatched overlays and generic blanks by forcing fresh icon extraction. If you see no change right away, reboot to ensure all file handles are released and the cache rebuilds at login. Finally, address deeper causes. Run sfc/scano and dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health from an elevated command, prompt to repair system files that supply icons. Then, manually recreate any broken shortcuts by dragging executables to the desktop or using pin to start /taskbar. Windows will regenerate their icons. Also inspect file associations and NTFS permissions on the app files and %localappdata%cache. Incorrect permissions can block icon generation. If icons still fail, try creating a new user profile to isolate profile corruption.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.